welcome back to another video. As you can already tell by the thumbnail, I am so excited because I am going to be moving. That is why I've been a little bit MIA. I just didn't want to tell you guys yet until we got closer. Let's get into the video. Okay, my loves, so in today's video, this is all I have to pack into boxes. I already bought the moving boxes. So yes, you guys are gonna be part of this mess because tomorrow I will be working on the kitchen and packing that up. So this is going to be a vlog. I just wanted to show you guys what we will be packing today in this video, and that is all my personal belongings. I feel so sad having to take everything down, but let's get into it and I'll see you guys in the next clip. So I will be packing the whole house up, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be packing and how I'm packing everything, because I don't like to just throw my stuff. I actually like to have a theme going for each box and where everything is going to be located in. That way it makes it easier for me to find things and I'm not upset that I can't find an item or I lost an item. So my personal belongings, I will be attempting to put them at least in a box or two. So let's get started. Okay, my loves, this is everything I've packed so far. I told you guys, I do not like to throw things in a box. I have a sentimental value to my things, so I really try to take care of them. And when I pack, I do not pack and just throw things in there. So this is how everything is right now. And as far as my makeup and all my skincare stuff, that will probably be packed last, because I have this case right here where I take all my makeup, and I think that's what I'm going to do. But this is what it's looking like. I'm out of breath a little bit, and that jewelry rack will be taken down. But yes, this is how that shelf is looking like right now. All my purses is going to go in a different box. And this is what is left as of right now. And of course my shoes will be going somewhere else in a different box, because I do have a lot of shoes. So that's what it's looking like right now. Okay guys, I am officially moved out from the other place. This is my new room, but this is the new beauty room. And this is going to be all mine to myself, which I'm pretty happy about it. I am not sure at the moment how I want everything, and yeah, I'm kind of stressing. Now I am unpacking and just trying to figure out how I'm going to set this room up. I'm going to be bummed out if I don't like the way it looks, and then I'm going to have to move the furniture around once again. But for now, this is what I'm working with. So let me unpack, set a couple things up, and then I will show you guys in a second. Okay, so I decided to sit down instead, and this is 2 days later, but I have been taking care of other things around the house. That's my washer and dryer. I have been taking care of things around the house, so I wanted this room to kind of be my last priority. I want the other two rooms, the kitchen and the living room, to be my first priority, and then this be my last. So I will show you guys a little bit of what I have done to this room, but I did want to show you guys a little room tour, since this is going to be like my beauty room slash YouTube room, if that makes any sense. But as of right now, I do have a couple of things put up. It's not how I want it to be yet. It is just what I could do on spare time, and I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, babes, this is the room so far. It is still looking kind of messy. I am trying my best, but I don't have that much time to dedicate to this room yet. Like I said, I want to have everything else set up in my house, and then this be my last priority, which I think I got majority of my things on my spare time. So I still have a whole lot more clothes in my other room with my boyfriend, the master bedroom. This is just one of the spare rooms. I'm pretty happy. I'm thinking the line art might go here, or better yet, over here on this wall. So this is what I have so far, and hopefully in the next video I will show you guys how it looks already set up. So stay tuned. Bye.